Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your FTX wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX Wallet app. Then you will have to go to the Invest section, which is on the left side of the menu. And here at the Invest section, you will have to tap on the Settings icon, which is on the top right corner, this little gear icon. And when you have found it, you have to tap on it, and it's going to pop up the Invest Settings menu. And the second point on this list is going to be the Withdrawal Address Book. So you just have to tap on it, and it's going to open up the list if you already added withdrawal addresses, which means bank addresses, where you want to withdraw your money, and you can choose from these to withdraw your money. And if you did not add any addresses, you will get an icon where you can add the addresses, and after that you can withdraw your money. I won't do that for now, because I do not want to share with all of you guys my bank addresses and my personal information. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.